Namaste everyone, myself Dr. Shweta Hegde. I am an Ayurveda practitioner. Today I am going to explain about Ayurvedic tips for hair care. So hair is very light in weight, but when it falls it feels heavy to the heart. We use so many oils, so many shampoos or so many therapies etc. to stop hair fall or to stop hair problems like dandruff etc. But is it really useful? So what Ayurveda says to do the hair care or to do maintain the hair health? So in Ayurveda, Sugandha Dravyas are mentioned. So we can say essential oils in aromatherapy. So some of the essential oils which are made up of the essential parts of the herbs are having very positive impact on the hair and scalp health. This is not only my words, some of the research studies also shows the same. So we will see some of the essential oils which are very useful for the hair and scalp health. So the first one is lavender essential oil. So lavender essential oil is helps to speed up the hair growth, and due to its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, it improves scalp health. But we should not use directly the lavender essential oil. Always we should mix 8 to 10 drops with coconut oil or olive oil and apply on the scalp for 10 minutes and then wash it off with a very good shampoo. The next one is peppermint oil. So peppermint oil, some of us think that it may burn. Yes, because of its hot property. But it helps to increases the circulation to the area, and it helps to increase the number of follicles and follicle depth and overall hair growth. So in alopecia patient also we can use peppermint oil mixing with coconut oil or olive oil or any Ayurvedic medicated oil. The third one is rosemary oil. So rosemary oil improves both hair thickness and hair growth, which is very essential in nowadays, and it also improves the cellular generation. The fourth one is lemongrass oil. So lemongrass oil is one of the effective remedy for dandruff. So many of us will have the problem of dandruff one or the other day. So the lemongrass oil is very effective to remove the dandruff, and if you want you can add few drops of lemongrass oil to your shampoo and conditioner, and you can use that shampoo or conditioner. And the last one is Liang Liang essential oil. So due to exposed to environment or due to heavy traveling and all, our hairs sometimes becomes very dry. Even scalp also becomes very dry. So this Liang Liang essential oil is ideal for dry scalp because it stimulates the sebum production. So why dry hair or why dry scalp occurs? So lack of enough oil and sebum causes hair to become dry and brittle, because many of us don't use oil every day. We think that it don't look good, so that's why we many of us we don't use oil every day. So that's why Liang Liang oil is very helpful to improve the hair texture, and also it reduces the hair breakage. So just add 5 drops of Lang Lang oil in 2 teaspoon of warm oil. You can use even Ayurvedic medicated oil like Bringaraja oil or Neeli Bringadi coconut oil etc. And just leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off. And some of the other hair tips like, so always use the warm water or the cold water when you are taking head bath. Don't use hot water to your hairs because again the hair fall will increase. And also when you are using shampoo, try to isolate it or try to dissolve it with the water, because it's very important when you are using a strong shampoo. If you apply directly, definitely it will damage or definitely it will affect on your scalp and the hairs. So this is about the Ayurvedic tips for hair care. I hope you can try this all essential oils at your home. with very good result. Okay, thank you.